how to add someone to your Facebook business page. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can add someone to your Facebook business page, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to basically add someone to your Facebook business page, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch Facebook. And first of all, just switch to that page on which you want to actually go ahead and then add someone. So assuming that this is the page, you need to have access to that page, by the way, because of course if you don't have access, you will not be able to. So when you log into that page's profile, now again you can tap the three lines option here and then tap the gear icon from the very top in order to come to the settings page here. Now once you come to settings page here, you'll find different sort of options like permissions, information, community, and so on. So over here what you actually want to do is we'll just go to this option at the search bar, which is at the very top of the screen. So when you tap the search bar at the very top of the screen, we'll just type in something similar to page access. So when we type in page access, you'll find a search result that has page access. So tap on the page access option here. And as you do that, over here you can see all the people who has current access to your account. So if you want to add a new access, so tap the add new option here, and you should be able to go ahead and give them the access depending upon the permissions such as editor, manager, or admin, or whatever else you prefer. They will accept the invitation, and after that they will be able to manage your page. This way you should be able to add someone to your Facebook business account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.